right, so here's a quick review on how to find your scatter plot and your linear regression equation. So because we're trying to compare median income of the number of bookstores, we will only highlight those two columns. We'll then go to Insert, Scatter Plot. We'll choose the first option. Okay, if your graph does not appear with the median income and the number of bookstores on these axes, you can always play around with the chart design and switch the column and row until it gives you the appearance that you're looking for. We will also then add in labels for both of our axes, the vertical and the horizontal axes, and we'll make sure to label them appropriately. Median income and, in my case, number of bookstores. And this graph is comparing the number of bookstores by median income in specific zip codes. So we have a heading, we have labels on our axes, and we have all of our points. Now, in order to create the actual line, we're going to right-click on any coordinate in the graph and click Add Trend Line. We'll tell it to be linear, and then we'll tell it to display the equation. Now, when I first do this, I do notice that my equation comes out in scientific notation, and that's just because the values are so small. So I will increase the place value. If you look here, it says 6, right? So I'm going to change this. I clicked right here, and I'm going to change this to number. And if I change it 6 place values, I should be able to see the actual slope for this line. And I could change the font size to make it larger. I could change the color. I can make it bold so that it stands out. Now, if I would like to make the line itself more solid, I can mess around with the appearance of the line by changing it to solid. I can also change the end and beginning type. So if I decide I want to put arrows on each end, I can do that. And I can also change the color of the line if I'd like it to match. Maybe I could change it to red so it's the same as the equation. I could similarly change the colors of my headings to whatever colors I prefer. So it's really just a playing around with the options and making it appear the way I want it to. Now, once I have it here and I want to put it into PowerPoint, I just click anywhere here on the scatter plot, hit Control-C, jump into a blank PowerPoint document or the one I'm working in, and Control-V, and it will paste it. If I would like, I can have it paste it, and I can have it paste as a picture. That way I can stretch it without it manipulating any of the features.